Well, now I proceed to the identification of another basic radical which is present in the centrifugate, that is the clear solution which we have decanted. I further proceed to the fourth group analysis. To analyze the fourth group, fifth group and sixth group, we have to use this centrifugate only, not the original solution, since the original solution contains two basic radicals. Now, in this centrifugate, aluminum ions are separated and free from aluminum ion. And another subsequent group basic radical is present in this centrifugate. Therefore, we have to take 1/3 or 1/4 volume of this centrifugate solution to analyze or identify the one more basic radical. Okay, now I proceed to the analysis of fourth group basic radical. Fourth group basic radical group reagents are ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide and hydrogen sulfide. Okay, now to the centrifugate. About 1 volume of centrifugate taken in the semi-micro test tube, I am adding ammonium chloride solid. After adding ammonium chloride solid, you must shake and dissolve. Only after dissolving, you are supposed to add other reagents. Ammonium chloride followed by ammonium hydroxide. Now I am adding ammonium hydroxide dropwise in excess. Just if we add 2-3 drops of ammonium hydroxide, it should be excess. If not, we have to add some more. Now I have added 3 drops of ammonium hydroxide and I have shaken. Now I have to ensure that the 3 drops of ammonium hydroxide added is excess. For that purpose, I wave the mouth of the test tube and gently I inhale. Now I am getting pungent odor. Means the 3 drops of ammonium hydroxide added is excess. In case if we won't get pungent odor ammonia gas on inhaling, you need to add another 2 more drops of ammonium hydroxide, mix well, then again wave the mouth of the test tube, gently inhale, you should get pungent odor. Again, if you won't get pungent odor, you have to add some more 2 more drops of ammonium hydroxide, mix it well, then again inhale, repeat this process till you get pungent odor. This is how we need to ensure that ammonium hydroxide added is excess. Then to check the presence or absence of fourth group basic radical, we need to add hydrogen sulfide gas. Directly we are not passing hydrogen sulfide gas since it is a poisonous gas and also it has a rotten egg odor or foul odor. If we provide Kipps apparatus to pass hydrogen sulfide gas, some volume of hydrogen sulfide gas will be leaked to the laboratory and that hydrogen sulfide leaked will settle on the ground of the laboratory and it may pass out of laboratory and pollute the laboratory as well as the college, and that leaked hydrogen sulfide gas will be inhaled by all other students working in the laboratory as well as the people, students, teachers, staff moving all around in the college. They are going to inhale the poisonous gas and that leads to environmental pollution and also toxic to the students and staff in the college. To prevent that, we are providing solution of hydrogen sulfide. Solution of hydrogen sulfide is prepared by dissolving sodium sulfide in water. This is a solution of hydrogen sulfide. I am going to add just 2 drops of hydrogen sulfide and I am going to shake. Again, to ensure that the added hydrogen sulfide is sufficient, you have to wave the mouth of the test tube and inhale. If you get rotten egg smell or bad odor, foul smell, understood that 2 drops of H2S added is excess. Now I am getting bad odor, rotten egg odor. There is no precipitate, means fourth group basic radical is absent. In the fourth group, zinc ion is present, manganese ion is present. If zinc is present, we would have got white precipitate. If manganese is present, we would have got buff color, light flesh color, light rose color precipitate. Since we have not got any precipitate, directly we can say that fourth group basic radical is absent, and now we can proceed to fifth group basic radical analysis. For that purpose, I am going to take fresh centrifugate. Since we have added H2S, further to continue with the same solution, we need to expel out H2S. Instead of going to that laborious process, it is better to take centrifugate. Centrifugate we have preserved in the centrifuge tube. I am going to take another 1/4 of centrifugate in a cleaned semi-micro test tube, and to this I am going to add fifth group basic radical group reagent. They are solid ammonium chloride. I am adding solid ammonium chloride, about 1/3 spatula or half spatula, and after adding we must dissolve. Then we have to add 3-4 drops of ammonium hydroxide, dropwise in excess. Again, after adding 2-3 drops of ammonium hydroxide, shake well, mix it well, wave the mouth of the test tube, gently inhale. You should get pungent odor of ammonia. I am getting pungent odor ammonia gas. Then we have to add the precipitating agent. Fifth group basic radical precipitating agent is ammonium carbonate. Now I am adding 2-3 drops of ammonium carbonate. On adding 2-3 drops of ammonium carbonate, if fifth group basic radical is present, we should get a white precipitate. You see, now there is no precipitation. Precipitate is not formed. So we can say fifth group basic radical is absent. Now I proceed to the next group, that is sixth group basic radical. The sixth group basic radicals are magnesium, ammonium, sodium and potassium. We have to carry out the analysis in this order only. First for magnesium, if it is absent, then we have to do the test for ammonium. If that is absent, we are supposed to carry out a test for sodium and potassium. First I carry out test for magnesium. I take about 5 drops, 1 ml of centrifugate in a test tube, and to this I am going to add the required reagents for magnesium. Magnesium belongs to sixth group. We have only one test to show the presence of magnesium and also to confirm the magnesium. That is, the reagents are ammonium chloride. I am adding solid ammonium chloride to the centrifugate and I dissolve. After dissolving, we have to add ammonium hydroxide. So ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide are common reagents for third group, fourth group, fifth group, as well as for magnesium, since the ammonium chloride ammonium hydroxide mixture is actually a buffer. It is a basic buffer. We add these two commonly for third, fourth, fifth group and also for magnesium to maintain pH value greater than 7. Since ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide mixture is a basic buffer. And for the third group basic radical, the precipitating agent is ammonium hydroxide. For fourth group basic radical, the precipitating agent is hydrogen sulfide. And for the fifth group basic radical, the precipitating agent is ammonium carbonate. And for magnesium, the precipitating agent is ammonium hydrogen phosphate. Now I am adding ammonium hydrogen phosphate. See, on adding ammonium hydrogen phosphate, there is no precipitation. So from this we can confirm that magnesium is absent. We have already carried out the test for ammonium basic radical. It is absent. No need to repeat. Now we have reached the last stage of analysis of basic radical.